Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to make a different video. Always I say that I make a different video, but it's kind of a different type. I haven't niched down yet, as you can see from my YouTube channel, but I'm trying to find my thing and let's see what works out the best. This is something that I think will be very useful for some people who like this types of pictures. So I'm going to teach you how you can convert this type of picture into this type. You just need one app which is completely free and your phone and some time of yours. So I'm going to teach you how to do it. It's extremely easy, so let's just get into it without any further ado. So make sure you download, obviously you need to download the app PicsArt and follow as shown in the video, and then add the picture that you want to draw and add layers accordingly. You can only add like 5 layers in this PicsArt for free. So in the third layer, the first layer is going to be the background of your picture, and then the second layer is going to be your actual picture, and the third layer will be the outline. So here I'm outlining the whole entire picture of mine. This will take time, but you need to have patience, and the mistakes like kind of outlining there and here, but I'll be fixing it by the end of when I'm done with all the outlining, so that's nothing to worry about. The nose is the toughest part to draw according to me. Every picture it's different, and yeah. So for the eyes, once I'm done with the eyes, I actually went to the stickers in the PicsArt, which is already there, and yeah, I selected an eyebrow that matched kind of like my eyebrows, because it doesn't really look good when you draw the eyebrows. And I did the same thing with the eyelashes as well. Same scenario with the eyelashes. It doesn't really look good when you draw the eyelashes, so that's what I did, and it makes it easier. So this is what I do usually. Yeah, fix it how you want, and that's there. Some people, what they do is they even find a sticker for their eyes, but I don't think so. I like the way it looks, so I'm drawing the eyes. It's up to you what you want to do. So over here I'm just drawing my eyes, and then I'm outlining my scarf. This is going to be fast because I'm just basically outlining, and nothing like big about it, and nothing is tough about this. It depends on what type of cartoony image you like. I kind of like it to be detailed, but not so detailed that it looks like, I just did it with the picture itself. So yeah, this is how I like it. So you can do like this, you can add more shade and etc. Now see, this is how the outline looks like, and you can see the lip outline is a little fatter, but I just didn't want it to do anything more, so I just left it out like this. Now I'm going to color, so that's going to be a different layer itself. So I'm going to pick my skin tone and then go to a fresh layer, fade that layer, the other layer, and go to a fresh layer, and I'm going to outline. I'm just going to color. Make sure the outline layer is on the top so that it's easier for you. You have to have it like that. So yeah, that's what I'm doing in this part of the video. I'm just decreasing the size of the brush, increasing and decreasing accordingly. So the face is done, as you can see. Now I'm just doing the lips. So I took the color of the lips from my original picture and then I just colored it. And that's how it looks. Yeah, I kind of missed out some points, so I'm just redoing it. And now I'm going to do my eye color. So I'm going to do the same thing, take the color from the original picture and then go to the other layer and color the eyes. So basically what you have to do is go to the layer that your actual image is, select from that, and then go to the, make sure you are in the correct layer, because if you're not, then it's not going to look good and it's not going to work out if you want to erase something. So yeah. So now I'm going to color the eyes. Y'all must be thinking it's just white, so why are you coloring? Because I'm coloring it because if I don't color, then when the final result comes, it will kind of have the color of the background. You will understand what I'm talking about by the end of this video. So in here I am actually coloring my eyebrows because it doesn't look so dark, so I'm just coloring it black and giving some more detail with the picture, some eyeshadow, which kind of looks weird, but like a shadow kind of thing of my eyes. And here we have, obviously it's not that perfect, as I mean it's not the same as the picture, but this is what you get. So I'm going to highlight. Here I am just trying to get that effect, as you can see, the highlight effect on my nose, so it doesn't look that weird and like plain. This is kind of tough. I mean, you have to get some trials and error, and then you will figure out how it actually is. It's not impossible, but it's kind of tough. So here I'm trying to create like a bit of shadowish and like a darker shadowish look, because obviously this is not my skin tone. So I'm doing this. I am going to rub yeah, exactly, I'm going to rub, I am rubbing. So yeah, and just blend it with the other rest of my face in this video. What am I even speaking? Yeah, that's what I'm doing. And I'm going to add some blush. This is going to be in the other layer, because if you are doing it in the same layer that you colored, and if you want you want to erase, then the whole thing is going to be erased. So it's better to do all the shadowing in one layer and all the coloring in one layer and in all the outlining in one layer. So here I'm just doing my blush and a bit of darker, because I have dark circles, so I don't want it to look like this, so I'm kind of making it darker. So yeah. Okay, I'm kind of coloring my eyebrows because one eyebrow looks bigger than the other. So yeah. And in the scarf part or your hair part, you might want to go for a lighter dark or whatever, because if you imitate the same black color as the line, it's not going to be seen. So this is what I'm doing. It's like a darkish brown, lighter black color. So I'm coloring my whole scarf. If it's your hair or anything, make sure you do some outlining for that, and then go with a lighter color of your outline for this. Now I'm going to color my hand, which is kind of tricky as well. So as you can see, my hand is two different colors in this picture. So yeah, just keep watching, you will understand how I do this. So I'm kind of ignoring my watch because that's going to be extra work. So I was just too lazy, so I'm just ignoring my watch and kind of not doing anything about it and having a plain hand. Now you can see this two section looks ugly, so I'm just going to blend it out so that it looks smooth and nice. So here I am giving a bit of shadow look, making my upper hand little more dark. This is how it looks for now. Now I'm going to color my dress, which is blue, but I'm going to get a different color because I felt like. So yeah, you can color any color and you can go with the same color as the picture as well. But here I am choosing a pinkish, I don't know which color this is, but I love this color. Actually, this is my favorite part of the thing, of this whole process, coloring it out. And it's so satisfying to look, and it's so fun to do as well. So yeah, there you go. So now I'm choosing a background. You can pick a background. You can even put whatever background you want as you wish. And here I'm shading it to create a shadow look. So I'm doing that. So here you go, and I'm still going to add some shadow within the dress, as you can see, to create a bit more a detailed look. It's up to you. You can do it or you cannot. You can also leave this, but I like to do this part, so I'm doing it. So yeah, just make the opacity of the color, the brush, lighter, so you will get this type of look. Actually, if you start this, once you start this, you will just get on. You will understand how this works and everything. So here I'm shading the thing. If you want, you can do this for more detailish look. Why do I keep saying all this? Making up my own English word. Anyways, that's the final look, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, do subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below what do you think about this video. And if you have any suggestion, please feel free to give, and just save the video and you're done with the whole look. Thank you for watching.